Welcome back. Now we are going to work on pages. So these are the pages, and let's start with the home page. Just click on the home page or edit home page, and we are already ready with the content. We took the help of the chat GPT, and we are ready with the content for each and every page. Okay. So this is the home page, and after clicking the home page, this is the title of that home page. So click on plus button, and you will see all the options here. Click on browse all. Now we need first thing is heading. So this is the heading. Okay, click on heading and H2. First heading can be H2. This is the H1. Okay, and this is the H2. And right, I am Jyotirmay. This is the heading. Okay, and then enter, and then you need to write the content. I am ready with the content. I will show you. I got two types of content. One is just boring content, which I took from the same chat GPT, which created a very interesting and catchy content. This is about me page, and when I dragged out day before yesterday, I created this content home page with full layout, blocks, hero section, and everything, heading, subheading, short intro text. So everything it came. So if you are creating the website, create with this. Okay, make your website interesting. Now because I am showing how to do this one, I am going to create with the boring content. This I am going to copy, plus, and I want a paragraph. I don't want, no, this is the heading, so next one is the paragraph. Select paragraph, and this is the thing. And now once you selected this one, okay, so you can change it to, now it is in bold, you can change it to, you can remove that bold, and this will be fine. And if you want italic, you can select and select italic. For example, the font size, text size, background also you can change. Okay, let's see all these options. Now I'm going to select the entire paragraph, and this is the text color. So now it is in the black color. Let's see what if I change the text color to the red. Oh, this is red. Huh? And what is this? Dark red. Okay, I thought this is orange. Okay, so this is a thing. Sorry. So I am Jyotirmayi, and this is a paragraph, and you change the text color, and you can change the background of this text also. Click on background. I will change the background to the black. Yeah, this is the black, and this is the orange color text. Your wish. If you like this type of uh, text template, then you can change it to that one, right? So now I didn't like the background red color, black color background. I'm going to remove that one. Clear. I'm unable to do that now. Clear, clear, clear. No, it is not. Okay, Control Z. Okay. Check how to delete that one. This is the option. Maybe it depends on theme to theme. Generally, if you select the white color, whatever the color, the background has to change. That's how we did. We changed that background to black color, right? So now, as per your interest, you can change that one. Now, font size: small, medium, large, and XL. Okay. So how you purchase your shirts? So same like that. So now you select this one, enter paragraph or a line. You can make it, I don't know which format it is. Small, it became small, medium, large, and XL. Your wish. Okay, so now I'm making it into large, and the next para is micro strengths include something. This is not about me. I took somewhere from using ChatGPT only. Okay. Now again, automatic by default it will take paragraph only. Okay. This is a by default it will take paragraph. Now I am going to select the entire text and I am going to select the large. So it should look similar to the previous paragraph. I think it is in bold. I'm going to remove bold. Yeah, this is about me. This is the first page. Let's see how this page is looking from the front side. View page. Oh, we didn't publish the. Save. Yeah. After saving or publishing, it is showing. Actually, even if you won't show save, if you click on view, it should display whatever you have typed there, right? So this is the page and this is the front end. So what do you think? How is my home page? It's super boring. Okay, so only text, nobody will open and nobody will read this content. So what we should do is we should add some images into this page, then only this page will look attractive. So I'm going back. Okay, so somewhere I want to add some image. Okay, so after this or starting of this paragraph I want to add my image. So less. Okay, so see here image, you can see the option of adding image. Click on image, upload. If that image is already in the media, then you can take from that, but I didn't uploaded my image, so click on upload. Okay, this is my image, but this much big image is not necessary. So what I'm going to do is wait, save, and just check how it is looking from the front end. Yeah, this much big image also very boring. Nobody will like this much big image, as if exaggerating the things. Okay, so what I will do is I will select this one. Either you can decrease the size from here or from here also. Large, thumbnail, or medium, or full size, whatever it may be. Little bit. Okay. Okay, this is the home page. Okay, this is the home page, and here this is only my image, right? So I want to add some other image also in this page. Click here. Here I want to add some page, some image. Click here, image. I have already downloaded from Pixabay. Downloads this. Okay, and each page, and okay, so this is the page, and just to see the page again, click on save. Okay, so the images are on the left side of the page. I don't want to display my images on the left side. In the middle of the page I want to display, means what I should do is click on the image here. Okay, align center. So the image will be aligned center. If you select now, starting by default it was done, right? So if you select left, the image will go left and the text will come beside that image. Let's see. Yeah, like this. This looks little bit decent, right? And this image I want to make it to the bring it to the right side, and the text will come to the next to the image. So the alignment also I showed you, right? So now save. page. Okay, here one more thing, this is the page. Okay, for every page you can set a cover image also, that is called featured image. For every page you can set a featured image, not only for the page, even for the post also you can set the featured image. Featured image is nothing but the cover page. We will see this option while creating the post, while publishing the post. Now leave it like that only. Okay, home page, go back. Now go to experience. Okay, home page, we are done with the home page. So now education. Okay, click on education. I have the content ready, so I'm just copy and paste. I'm not going to add any images because you already know how to add the images. Education, and there is no published. Okay, say all this page is already published actually, that's why it is not showing again. It is not showing the publish button, it is directly showing the same button. Okay, next, experience, save. Next, home, we completed home page. We didn't added any images, so it is not showing any image here. So contact me page, about us page, I'm going to delete it. So contact me page, I think I have the content for contact me also. Yeah, and in this contact us page we can add a form so that people will come and fill that form, and you can get that form to your email ID. Okay, let's add the form. The form here, can you see the form? Okay, click on form, contact form, registration form, appointment form, feedback form. We have these many options, right? So now I want contact form. Okay, so name, email and message. Once they enter name, email and message and click on contact us, you will get these details to your email ID. So from which email ID you have created this WordPress, you will get the details to that mail ID only. Okay, so now I am going to save this one. Now let's check the website. This is the website. Okay, this is the, we selected home page as the home page only, right? So immediately after clicking on that one, so we are seeing only home page. Okay, and then yeah, we added this map also, and about is not there. Education, though you are getting education, we didn't added any images or nothing, just a blank pages. Okay, and experience, we will get experience page, and contact us page or TEDx page. Once people click on this, enter this, let me try. My name is Jyotirmayi. Email. So this is my student's email ID. Yeah, your message has been sent. It is also showing here. So name, email ID, and what the message I have typed, that also it is showing. Okay. In my next video, I will show you where we got this message. Okay. So email ID, after filling the form, so to which email, how you will get the message, that I will show you in my next video. Okay, and we will try to do some post. Thank you.